What do you bead on? I get this question quite frequently, and the answer is Pellon. Pellon is sold at your local fabric store, and they are sold by the yard. This guide here will help you know which ones are fusible, sew-in, and water soluble. They also come in different thicknesses depending on what you want to use it for. And in our case, we want to use it for beading, so we want something that is thick and stiff to help keep our beads nice and flat and from caving in. There are a couple options that you can use. One is 70, and that is a sew-in Pellon, and you have 71F, which indicates that it is a fusible Pellon. So one side of the Pellon does have little tiny dots of glue. 70 and 71F I think are the most common. I think a lot of people use 70 and 71F. Now, if you are an experienced beader and you know how to control the tension of your beads and your thread, but you don't want something too thick, 926 is a perfect option. It's almost like stiff felt. It's not too thick, and it's the perfect thickness in my opinion for earrings. Now, if you don't have any of these options near you, you can also order them online. But if you want to see for yourself in person, you can go to your local craft store. Here I am at Michael's, and I go to the felt section. You can use regular felt for beading, but it's not going to provide you the stability that you need to help keep your beads from caving in. Now, a good option for that is actually stiff felt, which is right next to it. It comes in white and black, and it does have glitter on it, but it's okay, we're not going to see it anyways. I like using the black stiff felt for my darker colored pieces. If you were to use a lighter background for a darker colored piece, more than likely the lighter background will peek through.